Okay, so essentially, if you want to learn how to differentiate trigonometric functions, you just have to memorize two of them. I would say that the derivative of sine x is a cosine x. Derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. This is pretty much all you need. I mean, you can refer to the table and try to memorize it, but math is not about memorizing. So let me show you how you could solve it. If you want to find the derivative of tangent x, you can just simply rewrite it as sine x over cosine x. And now you can apply the quotient rule to it. So we have cosine square at the bottom, and then cosine x is our v, sine x is our u. So we write cosine x, derivative of sine x, which is going to be just cosine x multiplied by cosine x, which is cosine square x. And then we do the exactly same thing. So we subtract sine x multiply the derivative of cosine x, which is going to be negative sine x, and negative sine x multiplied by sine x is negative sine square x. We have negative sine over here already, so we just turn it into a plus, right? And it's going to be sine square x in numerator. So here we have identity, sine square x plus cosine square x, which is just 1. We write it as 1 over cosine square x turns into secant square x. The next example is going to be with the derivative of secant x. What is it going to be? Again, we can rewrite it as a 1 over cosine x, and now we apply the quotient rule. Our v is cosine x and our u is 1. We keep cosine square x in denominator, and numerator we have cosine x multiplied the derivative of 1, which is 0, so we just keep 0, and we subtract u, which is 1, multiplied by the derivative of cosine x, and derivative of cosine x is going to be negative sine x. So we just turn it into a positive since we have a negative sign in front, and this is what we get, right? We can just rewrite it a 1 over cosine x multiplied by sine x over cosine x, and we get secant x multiplied by tangent x.